Okay, this video is all about creating an account for Realtor on StrataPress. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is visit stratapress.com, and on the home page you can find this link that says register an account. Click on that link, and then from the options you can choose to create a Realtor account. Read the disclaimer, click I understand, and then put in your email address, choose a password, click sign me up. Now you're going to get a verification code in your email. So you just have to check your email for that code. When you get the code, drop it in here and then click verify your account. Put in your information. Let's fill this out real quick. Put in your mobile number and office number if you have. Click a province, BC, real estate board. In this case, we'll just choose Greater Vancouver Realtors. You can click on terms of service to read the terms of service and privacy policy. Got to agree to the terms of service and then click on create my account. That's it. Now you have an account. You can right away, you can verify your cell phone, and you can receive text messages when orders are ready, or when you get a message from a property management company about your order, or any changes to your order, be texted to you, but also be emailed to you as well. You go to your profile, verify all your information is correct here. And then if you go to the dashboard, this is where you can start requesting documents. That's it. That's all you have to do to create a Realtor's account.